What up, Chopper?
Yo, yo.
Hey, happy belated birthday, my boy.
Hey, appreciate it. Really appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man. Hey,
Mhm.
I was happy. I was happy when I seen your boy on his back all game.
Hey, there you go, Chop. There you go with the bullshit, man. Okay.
Hey, I knew we was gonna lose. I just was waiting on that nigga to get that back crack. That's all.
Say, man.
That boy out there looking like a rusty carburetor, nigga.
Hey, hey, it's been almost 2 years though, Chop.
Man, two these nuts. That nigga been practicing. He been getting
Nah,
them live
man,
practices
hey, that
in.
nigga ain't had no real contact though. That's different.
He
That
say,
Yeah,
nigga
"Man,
been having, that nigga been
he
having that
got
little
he,
dog
he
with him
got
every
it
two
today,
years.
didn't he?
Well, y'all niggas some marks, boy.
We gonna make that nigga a better man.
he got
I
that
ain't gonna
little
lie.
dog in him."
Defense won that game. Defense won that game. I ain't gonna lie.
Well,
Nah, nigga,
Defense won
we
one
gave
game.
that
Texas
game up.
won y'all game. The Texans
We
won
gave
y'all.
that game up, bro.
The Texans won y'all game, nigga. That's what happened.
That's true too. That's true too.
Them niggas there, boy. They
Well, I
came
want
boy.
I want to be the first to appreciate. I want to say thank y'all. Then you hear me?
Get your little ass up, man. Shut your little tall tendon ass up.
Hey man, hey man, it's all right, man. My boy, he'll be looking all right next game, man.
No, he ain't. They gonna lose too.
I see that. Okay, look,
Hey,
They
Kenny,
going
y'all
against them Vikings.
playoffs, baby?
huh?
Y'all going to the playoffs?
Why you gotta ask some whole ass shit like that, Jackie?
I was just
That's
saying, man.
that's
I'm
because
just
you got that
asking.
other bet going on, don't you?
Oh yeah, Birdie. Hey, stop playing, dog. The
I
next
heard
bet
about
on the
ass.
bill. Nah, the
You
next
can't
bet
fuck
on the
with them
bill.
bills, nigga. You can't
Bro,
fuck
the
with them
Bills not
bills,
going.
bro.
Bro, Kansas on
What's
top
a
right now.
bad game going from the Texans to the Bills? Ooh.
Hey,
Yeah,
Kansas on top right now.
Who?
yeah.
Kansas.
On top of y'all division.
I'm talking with Buffalo.
Oh, you talking about on the AFC? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they on top.
Yeah, but Buffalo in a different division, huh?
No,
Yeah,
they ain't
but
no.
look
No,
now,
I mean, we should be up there with because both Kansas City lost and Miami just lost.
oh yeah, they did. They did. Yeah, they
Oh,
did.
Cincinnati
Yeah,
just beat them
I
boys.
ain't gonna lie, boy. Yeah, Cincinnati did they thing.
Yeah, Cincinnati was winning. They must have
They won.
3-point lead.
They won.
Who won?
Cincinnati.
I know it.
Hey man, that boy Burrow a fool, man.
That's who. Yeah, that's who y'all play next week.
Oh shit, for real?
Yeah, you ready for him, Bless?
Nah, don't ask about no goddamn bet either.
Huh?
Don't ask about no bet, none of that whole ass shit.
Your scary ass kid. Okay, I'm worried about it. You gonna come off them double dubs in a minute. Y'all niggas gonna go on like a 2-3 game losing streak.
Nah, we ain't gonna do all that, brother. Come on now.
What?
Nah, we might lose.
Y'all finna go about on a 2-3 game losing streak, and they gonna try to decide whether they gonna put Brissett back in there.
Nigga, Brissett ain't going back in. They paid Deshaun too much. They don't give a damn if he throw interceptions all year. They paid that nigga too much.
Y'all gonna lose by 2-3 in a row. I'm telling you.
Nah, nigga.
How many he threw today?
He threw one.
He do one.
Yeah, he threw one pick.
Your scary ass ain't get on the line at all. You waited till the game was over and your broke ass.
Say,
I
couldn't talk too soon, nigga.
You can charge me. Cuz wasn't worried about you with your mark ass. I said this nigga ain't text all day. He wait till the game over. Come on. Yeah, y'all niggas. You a mark ass nigga.
I couldn't talk too soon, nigga. I couldn't talk too soon, dog.
He didn't want to answer the phone for me for a little minute there. I had called him. It took him a while to answer the phone. He thought I was going to call him and get on his road.
Stop lying, JJ.
Look, as soon as I seen that nigga text, I say, this nigga Kenny Mark ass ain't text all day. We want to wait till the game over talking about some $5. Some Mark ass nigga.
Wait.
Hey, if they would have lost, that whole ass nigga would have been sick or sleep.
That nigga wouldn't even text.
What?
Hey, I was gonna send you bread. I'm gonna send you niggas bread. I was gonna send y'all bread to you, man. But look, I knew y'all was gonna talk that shit just like me, nigga. Yeah.
Them niggas playing.
Hey, man.
They made it.
Y'all know.
They made it interesting that first quarter. When they got to that last 2 minutes, that nigga did that punt return. I'm like, these niggas here playing. These niggas here is
How this nigga fumbled a quarterback sneak? This nigga crazy for a touchdown.
No, why he in the game? What happened to your boy? What happened to your starter Mills?
They benched that nigga.
They did.
Yep.
You know it, nigga.
Yeah, they benched.
Damn.
Chop.
Oh, this nigga chop in and out burger ass nigga.
He got disconnected. We out there in Denver. He got no signal.
Hey, that nigga back.
Is back in Houston?
Yeah, Corpus.
Corpus.
Hey, there you go. I see that pool table. Man, you ain't doing none of that pool table, child. You might put that stick down.
First of all, you don't see no stick in my hand, motherfucker. I'm trying to watch the
Okay,
game.
you might well rub them up on that. What's that?
There's bad signal out there, chat. He got fishing.
That's a fishing pole.
Go fishing.
Well,
In your hand, what you catching?
nigga, this
damn.
Oh man, like a little rod.
I thought that was a fishing pole.
I did too.
trying to turn my camera.
They got that catching tuna. What are you doing? Oh,
You
shot.
gotta get signal first.
That nigga fucking up. He trying to do everything like he in the city. Oh, ass nigga, you ain't in no good.
Nigga, you in Colorado, nigga. Get that shit together.
You in the back legs, nigga.